Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix Windows 11 screen keeps refreshing problem. If your Windows 11 screen keeps refreshing or flickering randomly, it can be both frustrating and disruptive. This problem usually stems from outdated drivers, system misconfigurations, or software glitches. That said, let's talk about the most effective solutions to get rid of this annoying problem. So first off, I will recommend you to update or reinstall the display driver on your PC. Note that outdated or corrupted display drivers are one of the main reasons for screen refresh problems. Therefore, go for this effective solution. Just click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Then you have to expand Display Adapters. Then you can right-click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Then you can choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find the latest version. If the problem persists, select Uninstall Device and restart your PC. Then let Windows reinstall the driver automatically. For a more reliable fix, I will recommend you to visit your GPU manufacturer's website like Intel or AMD and manually download the latest driver. Next up, I will recommend you to disable all the unnecessary background apps and startup programs. Too many background apps can overload system resources and trigger constant screen refreshing. Just open the Settings app on your PC. After that, choose the Apps tab located in the left sidebar. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Startup option. Then you have to disable all the unnecessary programs from launching on startup. Then you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keyboard shortcut to open Task Manager. Then you have to head over to the Processors tab. After that, make sure to close apps that are using high CPU or GPU resources. This reduces the strain on your system and helps prevent display flickering or refresh loops. Next up, I will recommend you to perfectly adjust visual effects settings on your PC. Note that excessive animations and visual effects can sometimes cause your screen to refresh repeatedly. Therefore, make sure to take control of this power-hungry feature. Just open the Run dialog with Windows plus R keyboard shortcut, and then you have to type in spysdm.cpl shortcut and press Enter. And under the Advanced tab, click Settings in the Performance section. Then you have to choose Adjust for Best Performance or manually disable all the unnecessary effects such as animate windows when minimizing and maximizing or fade or slide menus into view. Then you have to click on Apply and hit OK to confirm. This helps reduce GPU load and stabilizes display behavior on a Windows device. And finally, I will recommend you to update your system. Microsoft frequently releases updates that include bug fixes and performance enhancements. Keeping your system up to date can resolve refresh and flickering problems. Just head over to the Settings app and then you have to choose the Windows Update section located in the left sidebar. After that, click on Check for Updates and then you have to go ahead with the usual way to download and install the latest version of Windows 11 on your device, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix Windows 11 screen keeps refreshing problem on your PC. Hopefully you have managed to get better of this annoying problem and now your PC runs smoothly as ever. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you in the next one.